Alrighty then, wanted to make a quick video. We've got I've got the sound turned up back behind me. You guys should be able to hear the audio coming through. We've got major news events coming out right now, so I want to take this opportunity to show you guys how you should check the news. If you see something crazy happen in the markets, I'm going to turn down that music a little bit here. Welcome aboard. This is going to be a quick video, so come down here. I just want to show you guys real fast if you are wanting to check the news. Okay, you're going to hear a lot of news coming out right now. So we just had an awesome play off of a multi-HMD play. We'll show that here in just a moment as well, but something that you want to learn here specifically today is on how to check the news. So let me show you guys how to do that here in just one moment. Let's do that. Alrighty then, risks in trading and all that kind of good stuff. So how do you mitigate some of your risks? Things like getting to the news quickly can sometimes mean, well, I wouldn't say life and death, but let's talk about big profits versus small profits. We were just able to take advantage of a really good play here this afternoon. I'm now into bonus territory on the day, and I want to show you guys how we're able to do that. If you need to check on a news event, you just see something drastic come out of the markets. We'll show kind of, see, somebody had a screenshot in here. We were moving up pretty much all day. Then all of a sudden you got a massive drop off. Just seemed to come out of the blue, out of the nowhere. Now, for us, you know, look, our system already told us, bam, where this was going to happen, but this happened very, very quickly. So you'll look, some of our indicators on some people's machines were a little bit behind. This is somebody with an i5. Yes, so Atom Smasher. You know, the guy's still working really well on an i5 machine, but, you know, sometimes you'll get a little bit of a lag like this on some of the things trying to fire off because the market moves so quickly. So oftentimes when that happens, look, just play the system, play the tools, play the rules. You know how to do what we do. I'm going to show you guys a great opportunity that some of us took here. Scrolling back down, he said, you notice what he said there? He's like, lag. OMG lag, right? Massive move in the market. Now, his lag, if you have a really fast machine, you guys have heard me before. Look, more is more around here. If you've got, oh, y'all hear that sound there? That, if you don't know what that is AlgoBox Flow Master. That is telling you the aggressiveness of the buyers and the sellers in the tape. If you don't know about that, go check that out. You can come over here and hang out and test that out for free right here in our Emini trade floor. If you'd like to test that out for a 2-week free trial, of course, you can hop in and do that. But over here on the left, news. Once that thing starts firing off, for us, we know exactly what we're doing. We don't have to care about what the news is, right? In our room, all we do is play what's on our charts, okay? So just play it. However, if afterwards, in hindsight, you're kind of like, curiosity, then again, don't let curiosity kill the cat, okay? Don't start trying to read the news and anticipate what the news is going to mean. Although sometimes you can tell, like a scenario like today, which is why I wanted to take a moment to make this video real quick, because this is going to be one of those really short time opportunities to really check this out. Now, we just had that massive drop, happened super fast. We already played the play, hit our targets, awesome, but we still wanted to know, hey, what just happened right there? But it's like, dude, what was that? Holy shnikes. You hear people being like, what was that? What's going on? Charts, some people saying their charts lagged, other people were saying it's just fine. Again, depends on what system you're on. If you have an NT8, you shouldn't have as much of an issue, etc. But here was my drop off right here that I caught right here, okay? Right there, off of that .HMD, boom, dropping off and out. Too easy. I mean, it hit targets 10, 15, 25 so fast. You know, wish I would have held on to some runners on that. It happened so fast though, and you're kind of like, whoa, what just happened? So what do I do when it's news? How do I find out what exactly that was? Over here on the left-hand side, I want to show you guys our newsroom. Now, look, a lot of places have newsrooms and they're garbage, okay? And we don't have to use this all the time, but if you are going to use it, here's how you have to do. In our room, just right here, click on that news section, and I'll show you how we knew exactly what those news events were, because these are things that are called breaking news events, right? And what I say all the time, breaking news breaks things, okay? You'll break lines, you'll break levels, you will break some of our like normal, like if we're looking for a distance of 10 to 25, boom, that's now broken. Those things are out the window, and we may shoot farther and harder. So we want to take the opportunities to really smash those when we can, right? So click right here onto the news, and what do we care about? We want to know what exactly happened. So scroll down to the very bottom, okay? You'll get the latest stuff. We've got several news feed groups that will always put out the latest stuff, and they tend to tweet it, right? We're actually reading these directly from tweeted information right off the bat. Now, at the time, I think there's more stuff come out right now. Again, this room gets really, really flooded. So you don't want to just sit in here and just look at the news all day. But if you want to know what just happened or recent stuff going on, you can traverse through here a little bit, but don't don't get caught up in this room. There is a ton of news flooding in here. Okay, this is literally every piece of news that is important around the financial arenas coming into this room. Everything from Reuters, Zero Hedge, who else we have in here? We got Forex Live, a lot of good groups that put out instantaneous news that are just putting it out there on Twitter. We have a robot pulling that into our room for you. So again, you really never have to leave our Discord rooms to be able to get this type of information. Pop in there, but look at the latest 5, and I'll show you how we could tell instantly. Earlier today, I took a screenshot almost immediately, posted it in the room. So you guys, I would encourage you, if nobody does this, you do this, okay? You notice what I did here. I went into the room, I took a screenshot using our normal screenshot tools of, kind of just a snippet of this last stuff. And what you will find in here are 2 little treasure chests of information. Here we go. Connell says that the Democrats and the Republicans are far apart on stimulus talks. Okay, what does that mean? That means that the stimulus is probably going to be delayed, right? That's probably some pretty big news. On top of that, what's underneath it? Vaccine won't be ready before U.S. election. So you've got a double whammy right here and right here that the markets are going to react to. They sure did just now. Big move. And that for us is big money, right? We really don't care which direction the market's moving as long as we know it's moving. Y'all hear that sound back behind me? That will tell you the aggressiveness of that as well to enhance your trading experience in our room. And you can just hear the sellers coming in right now. So I'm gonna get back to trading now, but I wanted to take a moment to send that out to you guys. Thanks for hanging out here with us. If you guys have questions on that, pop it down in the comments down below. Hopefully that covers it up for you guys. Oh, one request though, if you're in our crew, make sure, again, if a news event or something like that occurs, look, it's not each person's responsibility. Remember, we are looking and working together. So please, don't rely on me to go and take that screenshot and pop in the room. If it's you, our members on our crew, I am always trying to foster leaders, right? I am a leader, grouping and creating leaders in our crew. So make sure you take up that mantle. If you see some big move in the markets, go over there, grab it out of the news, pop it in the public chat for everybody else, because some people may not see this video or know that you can do that. So thanks for hanging out, folks. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot Mod Squad, Curtis G, and the rest of the gang. Let's send out that big H-Town. See ya.